Grooving with English, Unpacking, Move in the Groove. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a vibrant and rhythmic phrase that you might have heard in songs, movies, or casual conversations: move in the groove. This expression is a fantastic example of how English often uses musical or rhythmic metaphors to convey broader meanings. So, let's get into the rhythm and uncover the layers behind this catchy phrase. At first glance, move in the groove might conjure images of dancing or music, and you wouldn't be wrong. Originally, this phrase borrows heavily from the world of music, where a groove is a term that denotes a catchy rhythm or pattern that makes you want to move or dance. However, when we say someone is moving in the groove, we're often talking about more than just dancing. To move in the groove can mean to perform a task with great skill, efficiency, and enthusiasm. It suggests that the person is fully engaged and comfortable with what they're doing, almost as if they're dancing through the task. It's about finding that perfect rhythm in your actions where everything feels right and flows smoothly. This phrase also carries a broader implication of living life in a way that feels harmonious and fulfilling. When you move in the groove, you're in tune with your surroundings and your own desires. It's about hitting that sweet spot in life where everything seems to align perfectly, allowing you to navigate through life's challenges with grace and ease. Moreover, moving in the groove can be applied to social interactions, where it might mean being in sync with others, contributing positively to a group dynamic, or simply enjoying a deep, rhythmic connection with people around you. It's about moving together in harmony, each person's actions complementing the others. When incorporating move in the groove into your own vocabulary, think of moments that embody fluidity, ease, and rhythm. You might use it to compliment someone who has performed exceptionally well. You really moved in the groove during that presentation. Or, to describe a personal state of flow and productivity: I was moving in the groove while working on my project last night. It's also a fantastic phrase to encourage others to find their rhythm or reassure them that they're doing great. Just keep moving in the groove, and you'll get through this. Move in the groove is more than just a phrase. It's a way of looking at life, work, and social interactions with a rhythmic, harmonious perspective. We hope this exploration has added a new and vibrant expression to your English vocabulary, one that you can use to describe those perfect moments of flow and harmony. Remember, finding your groove is about aligning with the rhythm of life, so keep dancing, keep grooving, and see where the music takes you. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.